Hi guys, it's Allie Lily from Lash Anarchist. Today I'm going to show you how I like to tape lashes, especially on eyes that are sensitive. I'm doing lashes on my husband and he has very sensitive eyes. So what I like to do is I like to put down a very sensitive medical grade tape first, and it's a paper tape. And then I'll just put like a basic iPad over that. And I like using an iPad over it because I like to use that for my map. If you want to see the full video in this entire look start to finish, go ahead and click the link here. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and like and subscribe and share with all your friends. All right, let's get started. So first I'm going to get out all of my supplies. I've got some sensitive medical grade tape here, and it's a paper tape. I put that down so that I can put my drop of glue on it. And I put down 2 pieces because I'm going to change my glue drop every 30 to 40 minutes or so, just whenever it starts to dry out. So I'm going to use my isolation tweezer to grab out my 0.03s. So these are Lash Anarchist 0.03s. This is just a mix tray, and I'm going to put basically like 8 through 12 out for him. In just a minute though, I'm going to realize that I actually need some 5s, 6s, and 7s, so I'll be moving these down. I also have over there on the left, I have some Eyepads that I plan on using. They're a new style, so we'll see if I like them. If I get them on and I decide I don't like them, I'll just change them out. I also have my mirror because I'm going to be putting peaks on him because I'm doing a strip lash look and I need to keep checking those peaks constantly. So with my glue, I have the Lash Balm Diggity Black Glue. It's a 1-second drying glue, and it's one of my favorites, and it's one of our best sellers. People love this glue for a reason. It holds. So this is the part where I realized, like, oh, I need 7s, 6s, and 5s. And yes, you heard me right. I know those millimeters are super small, but I need them for his inner corners because sometimes you just gotta go really small. He has a really small eyelid space and a really small eye, as you can see. So these are the Eyepads that I thought I was gonna use. A lot of the time I like using 3mm foam tape, medical grade, but these looked similar, so I'm just trying them. Right now I think I'm saying they're kind of stiff, like a lot stiffer than I expected, so we'll see how this goes. I always have my client look up so that I can get right up to their eye, but like not touching their waterline. I want to cover up their bottom lashes, but you don't want anything to be sitting on their waterline because it's really irritating. So I'm trying these, realizing I don't have enough space for my map, so I put another one under it. And I'm asking him how it is, if it's comfortable, and he's really sensitive, and he's telling me it's not comfortable. He can feel it on his eyes, and I was just like, fuck these. We're not using these. Back to the basics. I'm going to be using that medical grade paper tape right up to his waterline, but not touching. And then once you get this on, I'm doing it in 2 pieces just so that a straight piece won't work. But once you get it on, I always have my client close their eyes, and then I kind of like readjust because their eye shape is different when it's open versus when it's shut. So you always need to like lift up that outer corner while holding on to the inner corner and adjust it. And I'm just throwing on like a regular ass old iPad because I need space to put my map. So as you can see today, I used a tape and an iPad over the tape so that I could map on my iPad. If you want to see what it looks like when I map for this specific map, go ahead and click on the link right here. And as always, like and subscribe, friends, and I'll see you next time.